Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's unboxing, I got something really special. This is something that I see all the people using while making coffee. It is the modern way to make coffee. It is the one, the only, from Japan, made in Japan, the Origami Dripper. It was designed by the founder of Trunk Coffee and Origami in Japan. This dripper is made of ceramic in Japan. Nagoya is made up of 20 channels, which allows you to use both KTL wave and V60 filter papers. It gives you full control over the flow rate, and it is one of the most popular brewing equipments now because pour over coffee is the most modern way to make coffee now. I don't know if you've seen people on YouTube. I've seen people on YouTube doing it. And there's a famous YouTuber. He's British. He wears glasses. He's the king of coffees and stuff. He's like, I guess, the king of baristas. That. So, yeah. This one comes with the wooden varnished little thing that goes on the coffee cup or any coffee mug that you use. So basically, it doesn't have to be coffee. I see a lot of people using it mostly for coffee, but you could use it with tea leaves, which is what I'm going to be using it for. But I'm going to be using it mostly for coffee to wake up. Coffee is what I drink in the morning, like I've said before. And what happens is the reason why I finally decided to go modern, like everyone else, with these pour over coffee adapter, top over, pour over coffee adapters. At my Publix here in South Florida, there's one from some company that's ceramic. That looks like a clear glass cup, and it goes on top. And you put your filter and whatnot. Yeah, it's nice and all, but the most popular one out of every single one of them is the Origami. The Origami even beat the company Fellow, which Fellow is the company that makes the that tea kettle that I recently purchased and did an unboxing on. If I'm not mistaken, that was my last unboxing. Of course, it wasn't the actual Fellow because I wasn't going to pay the price of the Fellow, like I've said. But, anyways, this thing comes with a wood plate, like most of them do. Is designed separately to prevent any heat loss during the brewing process. And also, it's the thing that keeps without that, I believe, I haven't used this before, but I've seen videos, and most of the people I've seen, which I believe is common sense, you have to have the wood adapter and then put the origami on top of on over the wood adapter so the wood adapter holds the origami. Because if you put the origami without the wood adapter, the origami sinks in your coffee cup or coffee mug or tea cup or whatever, and that's no good. And then you have a dripping mess everywhere. Anyways, the point is, it has a wood plate designed separately to prevent any heat loss during the brewing process. Every part of the dripper is carefully curated and well designed to fit the brewer. Exclusively distributed from Japan by Japan, therefore is Japanese. So anything that's Japanese lasts for almost forever because Japanese products tend to last very long. The size that I got is medium. The material is porcelain. Heat proof temperature is 120 Celsius. That's 240 Fahrenheit. 248 Fahrenheit. It's dishwasher safe. Hand washing recommended. Carefree not included. Packaging includes origami dripper and wooden base. I got it from a company called Stumpton Coffee Brewery because for some reason it was so popular right now that nobody has it. And what I mean by nobody has it, I mean nobody has it. And this random brewery coffee had the last one, so I took it. And I took this color, which is like a cherry blossom pink color. I wanted the green tea color that was kind of like aqua green or something, but eh, they ran out of all the colors besides this pink one. And then I realized, wait, this has more of a Japanese Sakura blossom flower color, so it feels more Japanese. So I took that one anyways. It was the only one. I had no other choice. They were all sold out. Anywho, let's get with the unboxing now that I've talked about the product. And by the way, stay tuned because tomorrow I'm gonna have another unboxing, so stay tuned for that as well. Whoa. See, there's the company right there. There's the company right there, Stumpton Coffee Company, Roasters. Oh, hope I didn't put my address on there. Nobody needed to see that. Anyways, from this company, they also had the filters to match, because I wasn't too sure what type of filters I'm supposed to use, but because it brings 100, I think it's 100 filters, is it? See, Japanese origami filters, cone shaped. Packaging, you also get this. This is really nothing. That's just so the thing don't move. Here's the actual origami product from Japan. Origami. The origami. It says here, product of Japan. Microwave and dishwasher and dish dryer safe. Yeah, I don't know about that though. I wouldn't do that. But whoa, shish kebab. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the wood piece. I knew there was something else in there. Alright, here's the wood piece. Here's the origami. Ceramic. It's real ceramic. And you can see Origami Japan. Wow, this is nice. So my understanding is, oh look, it says it's engraved there. It says origami. Nice. Too bad it doesn't say Japan though too, but still, I think this is bamboo. Oh my god, this is handcrafted. Nice. And then you put the filter in here and the tea leaves or coffee in there. And what separates this origami from anything else is the fact that it has a big hole compared to all the other ones I saw online. I mean on YouTube videos. This one's the king because of the big hole, so it drips out better. So you put this like this with your coffee mug or whatever like that, and it just sits there on the lip. In fact, I'm gonna get my new coffee mug that's aluminum. Show you guys what I'm talking about. See, I just got this. See, you put that there. Whoa. And you put the origami there, and that's it. And there's really not much else to say, but I guess I've never tried this company's coffee before from Stumpton's. Maybe one day I'll try it, but right now, if trying to find all the Dunkin' Donut flavors, because so far, Dunkin' Donuts has this dark chocolate strawberry coffee that's superb. And tomorrow morning, that's the first thing I'm gonna try it with. As opposed to the filters, very basic, kind of like a classic coffee maker. You just put the filter top of the origami, inside the origami thing, like if it was a classic coffee maker instead of a Keurig K-cup. Anyways, I would like to thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing as always. We've got to the ending of the unboxing. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode, because there's really nothing else to unbox anymore. Damn, I just gotta say, this material is really something. Damn, the wood smells good. Oh my god. It smells like roasted chestnut or something. Oh, these Japanese are spectacular. I love me Japanese products. Anyways, see you on the next episode and take care.